very early opportunity to thank God for making the child of a simple Kenyan to be the President of Kenya. Let me take this opportunity to thank the millions of Kenyans who woke up early, lined up for many hours to vote for me and to vote for all the leaders that are today elected in the Republic of Kenya. My very deep and sincere gratitude to the millions of Kenyans who have elected us into office. Let me state at this very early opportunity that all of us, elected, nominated, and appointed, are today the privileged, because the people of Kenya have bestowed on us the challenge of leading our country into